Welcome to Today I Work On, and it's go time. 113 miles from Safe Harbor in Kent Narrows to South Jersey Marina in Ocean City. We have a helper ready to help, and all the kids are on board. The wife is on board, and let's see what happens. I figure we're gonna burn around 200 gallons this first trip. Weather looks really good. 1 to 2 foot seas, 5-10 knot wind. We got lucky as usual. I don't know if something's looking over me on these long trips, but let's get ready to go. Weather's been great, pretty calm seas. I was averaging around 21, 22 knots. I had the current going with me, and I think the wind. So it's been a big difference. Since we've been in the Chesapeake, it's been super windy and super choppy. Thank you, the sea gods. So we got a little bit of a no wake, and then we'll get back up on plan. I think there's 2 no wakes in the C&D Canal. I used to have my boat here years ago, and I'm pretty familiar with it. So let's just keep it rolling. We're in the middle of the Delaware Bay. Can't see nothing. No land whatsoever. We got about 16 miles until we hit Cape May, the bug light. Making pretty good time. We're doing like 22 knots. And it's starting to get a little bit choppy because we're getting near the Atlantic. We got about 45 minutes to go until, well, we probably got an hour to go until we get to the Cape May Inlet. Alright, filling up. We're here. And I'm hot and tired. Let's see how much gasoline this is gonna take. What does it smell like?
No, it smells like smoke.
That smells like 6 hours of a trip. Everything looks good. You always check everything out. I like to check the bell shoe when I'm filling up. So first tank took $546, 116 gallons. Let's go to the starboard side. Tail of the tape, 114 nautical miles, 250 turns. If I go back, you can see the route coming through. That's why we're on Cape May, going backwards. So right here is kind of sketchy because you really can't see any land, but we made it. So I'm gonna save the route. And we're almost done filling up. $1,091, 232 gallons. It's funny, on my computer is off a little bit. I'll get into that in a sec. We had a miscommunication in marinas. We have to go to Cape May Marina, not South Jersey Marina. They were super nice, but I'll get into Dockwall got a little weird. I'll get into what happened. What a day. I am a lobster. It was about, we got here around 2:15. We left at what, 8:36?
8:36.
So we went to the wrong marina. We did fill up. It was 230 gallons, which I have a 300-gallon tank at 70 gallons to spare. I think that's enough. It's around a quarter tank left over. That's what you should have in reserves to get your destination tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to have enough gas to make it to Liberty Landing, so I might stop off at, it's called Uncle Bill's. It's been there forever. It was there when I boated in New York City 20 years ago, so we're gonna probably hit there. It's about 90 miles from here, and this is the ocean. So we're actually going 10 miles further tomorrow than we did today, and I burned 230 gallons. So that's kind of cutting it close. I think the weather's going to be fine. This marina is beautiful. They have a nice pool, and we just went out to eat. Had a nice dinner, got some Ritas. So that's it for today. This next leg is tomorrow, and hopefully we have a good day. And yeah, that's about it. So let's continue this tomorrow.